Hey guys, this lesson is on prime and composite numbers. First, we're going to talk about some vocabulary. A prime number is a number whose only factors are 1 and itself. So for example, let's take the number 5. If I find the factors for 5, the only two numbers I can multiply together to get 5 are 1 and 5. So because it only has one factor pair or two factors, 5 is a prime number because 1 and 5, or 1 and itself, are the only two numbers that will multiply together to get that product. A composite number is a number that has two or more factor pairs. And be careful, this is two or more factor pairs, not two or more factors. It actually would need at least 3 factors. So for example, let's take the number 9. When I do the factors for 9, I have 1 and 9 and 3 and 3. So that is 2 factor pairs, 1 and 9 and 3 and 3. It's also 3 factors, 1, 3, and 9. So this is a composite number because it has additional factors other than 1 and itself. To tell if a number is prime or composite, you need to list all of its factors. If the number has 2 or more factor pairs, not just factors, factor pairs, it is composite. If the number has only one factor pair, 1 and itself, it is prime. So let's do some practice. Looking at the number 11, when I list the factors for 11, I know that it will be 1 and 11. And I cannot multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 to get to 11. So it's only 1 and 11. That's only one factor pair that consists of 1 and the number itself. So this is prime. When I look at 18, I'm going to use a T-chart for this one. I have 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. This has 3 factor pairs, so this is a composite number. Looking at the number 29, I have 1 and 29, and those are the only factors, so this is a prime number. Now I want you to try these numbers on your own, 27, 49, and 38. First, let's go over the number 27. And for this one, I'll use a factor rainbow. So I know that I have 1 and 27. 27 is odd, so it's not divisible by 2. But 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 can be divided by 3, so I know that 3 will go into it. And those are the only factors of 27. But in this number, I have 1, 2 factor pairs. So this is a composite number. When we go over the number 49, I have 1 and 49. And 7 and 7. Because this has multiple factor pairs, this is also composite. Looking at 38, I have 1 and 38, 2 and 19, and those are the only factors. But because there's 2, this is a composite number. Any even number is always going to be composite because it will have a factor pair of 1 in itself, and it will also have a factor pair of 2 and whatever you would multiply by 2 to get that number, because all even numbers are divisible by 2. Now we'll do a little more practice. We already did 49, so let's look at 33. 1 and 33. 33 is odd, so it's not divisible by 2. But because 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, I can do the number 3. So this is a composite number because it has more than one factor pair. When I look at the number 58, I have 1 and 58, 2 and 29, and those are the only factors. But because there's two factor pairs, this is a composite number. I also could have used the trick that even numbers are always composite.